Today, we walk down a street where every corner hides a story, where every old wall whispers its own tale, and every stone carries secrets from long ago. This is Purani's street, a place where time seems to slow down, and memories come alive. In the mornings, the street comes alive with the aroma of freshly baked bread from small bakeries, mingling with the smell of damp earth after the rain. Children run along the narrow lanes, their laughter echoing against the walls, just as it did decades ago. The old wooden doors, worn and cracked with age, still hold the charm of the past, telling stories of families who lived here, love that blossomed, and traditions that were cherished. The people of Purani's street are its heartbeat. Each shop, each stall, has a story. The tea seller, who has been serving cups of tea for over 50 years, still remembers the customers who are now grandparents. The tailor, whose hands stitched countless wedding outfits, hums the same tunes his father hummed when working on the same old sewing machine. And the little spice shop on the corner, with its colorful powders and fragrant herbs, smells just as it did when the street was first built. But Purani's street is not only about everyday life. It holds its mysteries. Some say there are hidden tunnels beneath the houses, secret meetings during times of unrest, and letters that were never sent but remain tucked away in drawers. The elders whisper tales of lost treasures and hidden love stories that change the course of families forever. And if you walk quietly during twilight, you might hear echoes of footsteps that are no longer there. What makes this street truly special is its sense of community. Despite the passing years and changing times, neighbors still look out for each other. Stories are shared on the steps of old houses, laughter is exchanged over cups of tea, and life, in all its simple beauty, continues. Purani's street reminds us that even as the world outside changes rapidly, there is something timeless about human connections, belonging, and memories that linger in familiar corners. As we walk down Purani's street, we are reminded of our own memories. Perhaps each of us has a Purani's street, somewhere in our hearts, a place where we grew up, learned life's lessons, felt love and loss, and left behind small secrets that only the walls remember. Every corner, every crack, every shadow has a story waiting to be heard. Purani's street is more than bricks and stones. It is the soul of a time that was, a witness to countless lives, and a reminder that the past never truly fades. It stays with us, shaping who we are, and connecting us to the stories of those who came before. Thank you for walking down Purani's street with us today. If you enjoyed this journey into the past, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, every street has a story. Sometimes, you just need to take the time to listen.